Okay, hey guys, before we jump into the main video, I want to thank you to Dossier for sponsoring this video. And if you don't know about Dossier, Dossier is a company who basically makes replica of luxury high-end perfume for those of you who can't afford it, or I'm not going to say can't afford it, but just don't want to spend that much money on perfume. So, I have Floral Honeysuckle, which is supposed to be an inspiration for Gucci, the Gucci Bloom perfume. And I haven't smelled the Gucci one yet, but y'all, I have this perfume on and it smells good, like for real. If Gucci smell like this, baby, it smells good. So let's get into the bottle. This is a cute little bottle, and y'all, the top is magnetic. Come on now, you will never lose your top. But it's like, I want to show y'all how it's sprayed. Like, it got the little mist, y'all. Ooh, this smells so good. And one thing about Dossier is underneath, when you take this out, they send you a nice sampler, so you can wear the sampler around. And if you don't like the sampler, without using this, don't use this. You can always return this and get a new one for free. Like, you can send it back, mail it back for free. That's one great thing about this company that I love. And I do have a discount code. I got y'all, so be sure to use my discount code so they can see where y'all coming from. And y'all, this perfume smells so good. And another thing, say for instance it's a scent out like YSL. Say for instance you like YSL. If enough of y'all like comment or reach out to Dossier, they'll make us a replica of the YSL for cheaper. And y'all, here's the best part. Go get this right now, because guess what? It's only $29. All their perfume is $29. All their perfumes are literally $29. Y'all go get this. Tell them I sent you. Use my coupon code and go get this so you can smell like me. But this really is like a good perfume. Like, I'm not just saying. I have this on right now, and like, it's like a woman scent. It lasts all day. Like, it dies down. It's strong when you first put it on, and then it dies down and relaxes all day. Like, you gonna smell good all day. So shout out to Dossier for sending me this product. Y'all, use that discount code and go get this product, and y'all, you will not be disappointed. Cause baby, you wanna smell good, go get this Dossier.
This is my A1 day one, man. You know what I'm saying? She a very loyal client. She very inconsistent.
You be too booked to watch the transformation.
You been raised. You got the razor. It's the razor, man. It's the terrier, man. He said your friend is very beautiful. I'm like, don't feel her head. She already cocky.
I'm not cocky. I'm confident. Can you do them like last time?
Miss Dominique.
What's up?
How you been?
I'm great. Just don't make them thin, okay?
Don't make them thin?
No, they already thin enough.
I'm keep them thick like you, right? You gotta see this nigga over here. He like, yeah.
Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you all my Saturday morning routine. And starting off, I just like to go ahead and make up my bed and tidy up my room. Usually if I don't make up my bed, like as soon as I wake up and tidy up my room, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, like it's not gonna get done. I just pull my door up and like it's not there. So I have to go ahead and do all this as soon as I wake up. By me working Monday through Friday, y'all, I really don't have time to dust. So on Saturdays, I go ahead and do all my dusting and just wipe down all my furniture just to get everything clean. And for the glass that's in my room, I'm just using your usual glass cleaner and this little microfiber towel, and then use the dusty treat. After everything is clean, I go ahead and light my candle, and this is the hazelnut cream candle, y'all. It smells so good. Oh my God. And there you have it. Everything is clean. Now let's get into some hygiene. Before brushing my teeth, I like to go ahead and wet the toothbrush. Then I go ahead with my Crest 3D White Charcoal Toothpaste, which removes up to 80% of surface stains, even in hard to reach places. And I really brush my teeth for like 2 minutes, y'all. After brushing my teeth, I like to go ahead and gargle. I'm using the Crest Scope mouthwash, and I like to gargle for 30 seconds. And y'all, do not swallow the mouthwash. So after all this done, I'm going to wash my face, and I'm just using an Ambi complexion bar. And y'all, I love this soap. Like, it's real soft on the skin, and it does not harm the skin. Make sure to rinse all the soap off and then pat dry with a paper towel. So I will be using the Pond's moisturizer just to make sure my skin is good and moisturized, because it is winter time, y'all, and you do not want cracked skin. So again, by me working Monday through Friday, y'all, I really don't have time to relax. So on Saturdays, baby, my bubble baths be lit. I'm going in with the Dr. Teal's bubble bath, y'all, and then, girl, you gotta light them candles to set the mood, and baby, I'm finna go in. So for my bath, y'all, I love the coconut butter scrub, y'all, and it feels so good on the skin. I'm only going to show y'all my leg for personal reasons. Okay, now that I'm dressed, y'all, I want to show y'all my outfit. I have on, I guess, a tracksuit, just all black with the jacket and like a white tank top. And I have on my good old ponytail with edges by me. But I'm getting ready to get my day started, my Saturday started, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get your girl to 20K. Let's get your girl to 20K. Yes, I like this, honey. We out of here.